Lots of fathers love talking about what they're going to leave behind for their children. Businesses, properties, investment portfolios, maybe a watch that one of the kids pretend they actually want. But before kids inherit assets, okay, they're going to inherit your patterns and your behavior. They watch how you speak, how you handle pressure, how you treat people, and whether or not every inconvenience can invoke rage. And that's the uncomfortable part about legacy. It's not about what you put in the will. Okay, it's about what you discuss at the dinner table every night, how you talk about money, what you teach about business, how you regulate yourself emotionally, and how you handle setbacks. That is what you are instilling in them. Okay, that's the biggest thing you're leaving behind, not the assets in the world. Investing matters because structure matters, but the greatest legacy that you should be teaching them is that wealth, real wealth, is not about quick fixes, ego, or performance. It's about stewardship. The first thing your children will inherit from you is your behavior and your mindset. The wealth and the physical material things, that come second. You want to make sure that the inheritance is great on both sides. Be blessed.